경쟁력이라고 할 수 있습니다. 이렇게 다양한 강점을 갖고 있는 K9은 현재 많은 곳에서 관심을 보이고 있습니다. 제 채널에서도 앞서 K9을 한국에서 수입한 핀란드, 노르웨이, 에스토니아의 반응을 각각 살펴본 적이 있습니다. 모든 나라가 다 K9 성능에 만족하며 추가 구매를 고려할 정도로 한국의 K9에 대해 좋은 평가를 내렸습니다. 그렇다면 해외 유명 밀리터리 채널에서는 K9에 대해 과연 어떤 평가를 내릴까요? 영국의 유명 밀리터리 채널인 Weapon Detective에서 한국의 최강 자주포 K9에 대해 분석을 한 적이 있습니다. K9에 대해 과연 어떤 평가를 내리는지 한번 보시겠습니다.
The K9 Thunder is the rising star of the international self-propelled howitzer, shortly SPH market. In the last 5 years, it has won many important tenders. A decade ago, few would have guessed this brilliant South Korean achievement. Indeed, the K9 Thunder's international market success is tremendous in the last 5 years. It has found new customers in 3 continents. The tracked K9 has beaten the strong contenders such as the PZH 2000 and 2S19. And South Korea was not even one of the traditional artillery system suppliers a decade ago. What is the secret of this achievement? South Korea decided to develop an indigenous SPH called K9. Seoul selected Samsung Techwin, today Hanwha Techwin, as the prime contractor. In 1999, the Republic of Korea Marine Corps took the first production model of the K9 into service. Australia, Estonia, Finland, India, Norway and South Korea are the current users of the K9. The 5-person crew consists of a commander, driver, gunner and 2 loaders. The SPH is 12 meters long, 3.4 meters wide and 2.73 meters high. Its combat weight is 46.3 tons. The 1000 horsepower STX MTU MT881 KA500 diesel engine provides a maximum speed of 67 km per hour. The maximum range of the 155mm 52 caliber CN98 gun is 40,000 meters with K307 extended range full bore base bleed projectile. The rate of fire is between 6 to 8 rounds per minute. The K9 carries 48 projectiles. The K9A1 variant has a more advanced fire control system and an improved driver's night periscope with front and rear cameras. Its inertial navigation system is coupled with GPS. The A1 also has an auxiliary power unit. The Norwegian K9 Vidar is a variant of the K9A1 with better protection. The Australian AS9 Huntsman variant is developed based on K9 Vidar and it has enhanced fire control and battle management systems. Its anti-tank mine protection is higher. The K9A2 variant is currently under development. The A2 will also have an extended firing range. Thanks to the fully automated auto-loading system, the crew will be reduced to 3% and the rate of fire will be increased. The K9A2 will have composite rubber tracks which will reduce vibration, noise, and maintenance requirements. Its anti-tank mine protection will be similar to AS9's. The K9A3 will be fully automated and unmanned variant of the K9A2. The hull and turret of the K9 are of all-welded MIL 1256OH armor steel with a maximum thickness of 19 mm, which protects against 14.5 mm armor-piercing rounds and shell splinters. The A1 variant has a driver's safety system which automatically stops the turret rotation if the driver's hatch remains open and is at the dangerous angle to the driver. The SPH has a CBRN protection system. It only takes 1 minute for the K9 to switch from on the move to open fire. It has an automatic loading system. The SPH can send 3 rounds to the target in 15 seconds in burst mode. Thanks to its multiple rounds simultaneous impact mode, these 3 rounds can simultaneously hit the single point. After the first burst, the K9 can fire 8 rounds per minute for the first 3 minutes. The SPH's sustained rate of fire is 2 to 3 rounds per minute. Its automatic fire control system provides rapid aiming, faster shooting, and improved accuracy. After the firing, the K9 can leave its position in 30 seconds, which helps avoid the counter-battery fire tremendously. The K9A1 can reach 54 km firing range with new ammunition that combines base bleed with rocket-assisted propulsion. The K10 ammunition resupply vehicle, which carries 104 155mm artillery shells and 504 propellant charges, can support a team of K9 under armor protection. It takes 37 minutes to fully load a K9. Thanks to its hydropneumatic suspensions, the K9 has excellent cross-country mobility especially over mountainous terrain. Let's turn back to our question at the beginning. Why has the K9 become a rising star of the international SPH market? If you closely look at the commercial success of the K9, we can see that it has won the tenders of the countries which generally have mountainous terrain. So why have these countries not chosen the other tracked SPHs, such as the PZH-2000? On paper, this German vehicle is superior to the K9 in many ways. It can fire 3 rounds in 9 seconds in burst mode and reach 67 kilometers of a firing range. The PZH-2000 can carry 12 more rounds than its South Korean rival. These two SPHs competed against each other in Norway. The result has shown that the K9's cross-country mobility on the mountainous terrain is superior. Similarly, India tested the K9 against the Russian 2S19. The results were the same. Germany and Russia are not mountainous countries, so they developed the SPHs which are suitable for the war on the plains. But South Korea designed the K9 for its mountainous geography. The countries which need a similar type of SPH naturally chose the Thunder. Alright, why have the other countries like Australia, which are not mountainous, chosen the K9? Because it is cheaper in every way, open to being developed, and free from political issues. In the last 30 years, Western European companies have accepted producing several units of an artillery system as a big success. However, South Korea produces a few thousand units. A large volume production means lower unit cost and ample and inexpensive availability of spare parts. This fact makes the K9 is about 60% cheaper than the PZH-2000. Besides, Western European companies have fallen into the grip of a strange bureaucratical structure. So, they have to grapple with many